got it out of the box. Let's open up the mixer and make some music. And I'm gonna eat one. It doesn't broken. I'm gonna eat it. Okay, looks like instructions. Oh, cool. That doesn't. Oh, that looks like a DJ. DJ Poppy! Don't break it. This is probably a real mixer. Maybe this will be easier. Oreo! And more Oreos. This is so good. Cool. DJ. We're a Star Wars fan. It's so good. Oh, mine's falling apart. This one's not working. Hello? I'm trying this big Oreo with the milk. A lot of milk. Ooh. Ooh. This is a lot of meat. That's good. Real good. When I eat the big one with milk, it tastes like normal milk. Like Oreo milk. That's like Chinese music. Switch. This is slow motion. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna go eat Oreos now. Bye.